Hey, Ma! Okay, we're going to fold this dollar bill into a cross. The first step is folding it horizontally in half. So I'm going to try to make sure everything's as lined up as possible. And you just want to fold it in half like this. And then you're going to open it back up. Because what we just really wanted was that crease there. Because what we're going to do then is fold the bottom up to that crease. And I'm at a disadvantage here because I'm at a weird angle, but we're going to fold up to that crease like that. And the same thing with the top, we're going to fold it. Oops, that's my phone. We're going to fold it to that crease again. Try to get it as even as possible. And that will add to the finished product. Okay, so now we have both the front, the top and the bottom have been folded forward to the middle crease. And then we're actually going to do that again. So again, I'm at this weird angle. You want to make it as even as possible there. There. And then I'm going to do it again, folding forward to that crease. So that the two sides should touch in the middle here. Which they are. And you can see the In God We Trust right there. Okay, perfect. All right, so now this part, you can see that there's this little teeny swirls right here. We're going to use that as a guideline. If you're using a different type of a dollar or a different type of bill, you want to go about a quarter from the center. So you fold it in half, you fold it in half again, and then you could determine where that quarter mark is. So it would be like half again, and then you kind of want to be in the quarter. All right, so I'm going to fold back at that point. I'm ultimately going to do the same on this side, but let's just work on my right at this moment. So I'm folding it back there. Kind of my center point is the we. So I'm going to fold it like here so that my it kind of folds right there. So let me show you how that looks. Just before the we, because that's my center point, okay? Just to the right of the we. Make sure it's even, okay? So I'm folding back like that. And then what I'm going to do is take the whole thing and fold it in half horizontally. It's called a mountain fold, so the front is going up. Okay, see that? And then you see like this part is right where the we is. I'm going to fold that part down. Should line up right in the middle there. And when you're doing like dollar origami especially, feel free to kind of, you can pull it a little bit. It's not like other papers, and it's very strong. All right, so here we go. That's the bottom part of the cross. So you just want to kind of twist it, turn that, and you just want to make sure it's even and it looks neat. So we're going to go right where that swirly is and fold that back, and then just make sure everything's nice and tight. And then we're going to fold it forward right at that V. It should be line up with the bottom. And then we're going to take that and fold it forward almost to the bottom here, because we're going to take that little area and just tuck it in. You want to just tuck it in so that it stays. So just kind of open it up a little bit. Like I said, dollar bills are pretty strong. Okay, there we go. So then when you're done, looks like that. In God we trust. And that's your cross. This looks like that in the back. That's like a nice little tip to leave someone.